Namaste, namaskar. Dear journalists, dear colleagues, dear representative of media in India, we're in New Delhi, in Noida, and tomorrow 3:30 p.m. in Marvach Studio, Noida, Film City, we have a beautiful conference of Dr. and Professor Alexander Savёlov. This press conference will be dedicated to the very important subject matter, how to save cows of India through Vivaton, special medicine of Professor Savёlov. We have organic pure medicine which we want to promote in Bharat, in the beautiful Asian civilization. And tomorrow, 3:30 p.m., we're waiting for all of you to ask Professor, what is the secret? How we can make a longer life of cows, mother cow? Looking forward to see you in Noida, Film City, Marvach Studio, 3:30 p.m. tomorrow. Thank you. Follow the ethics rules that cow is our mother, we should worship, and he wants to promote this culture and also through his ingredients, natural medicine, to increase the age of cow, makes it like anti-age in medicine.
Да, то есть у меня отработана технология, чтобы она была все равно самая, несмотря на это, она будет самое доходное предприятие. Несмотря на то, что не будут...
For the farmers, he has unique research already, improvement, that the milk which cow can produce can be increased for 2 and 3 times more. 3 times more.
Lovely. Я доказал в Татарстане.
In Tatarstan, in our Republic of South of Russia, he did this under the government grant. He did this experiment and improved also even the quality of milk, the fat of milk, much better. Yes.
Все фермы Татарстана работали в этот период без антибиотиков, гормонов, химических препаратов. Исключение.
His cows, when he started with this medicine, no need any antibiotics, no any diseases, no any fevers. Everything he did naturally, not through antibiotics.